Sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a deep breath in. Now place your thumb on your ears, middle finger on your eyes, index finger on your eyebrows, ring finger and little finger near your nose. This is Shanmukhi Mudra. Now inhale, and as you exhale, create a soft humming sound like a bee and chant Om using your throat. So you will create the humming sound like feel the vibrations in your head and chest. Let it smooth your mind, reduce anxiety, and bring deep relaxation. Repeat this for 5 to 10 rounds and experience instant calmness, sharper focus, and inner peace. Want to learn more powerful breathing techniques? Follow us and start your yoga journey today. Thank you.